Hey everyone, Aquaman here with Water Wisdom, sponsored by WaterFilters.net. Today's product from Pro Products is the Liquid Sanitizer Concentrate. And there are two varieties. One is for reverse osmosis systems, the other is for water softeners. Now, if you look at the manual on your RO system, and if you don't have your manual, just trust me, it tells you that every time you change filters or the membrane, you need to sanitize the system. There's a number of reasons for this. One is that there is always the potential on untreated water that microorganism contamination is occurring inside the system, and you just want to make sure you clean it if there's been some kind of buildup inside the system. And also, when you open the system, you're exposing it to air, and microorganisms can get in and be left behind. So you want to do the right thing, follow the manufacturer's instructions, and sanitize your RO system every time you change filters or a membrane. It's just a good idea. It's the right thing to do. And honestly, if you look at the manufacturer's manual, they'll tell you that they're not going to warranty the membrane or the filters if you haven't done the sanitizing. It's just a good thing to do. So you want to make sure you do that. The next thing you want to do is you want to sanitize your water softener. This is going to happen in two instances. One, if you have a microorganism contamination, maybe you have well water, maybe everything was fine, but then all of a sudden you discover that you have a problem. Well, you're going to sanitize everything else in the house with chlorine, but you really shouldn't use chlorine on your water softener because the resin hates chlorine. It's very, very bad for the resin in your water softener. So, though you can use chlorine for your hot water heater and all your other plumbing, you need a different method for your softener. This is the right stuff to use. So get one of these and use it to sanitize your water softener if you're needing to sanitize or shock your entire system. The other instance is if you have maintenance done on your softener and they remove the valve head on top and the resin inside the tank is exposed to air. Air carries microorganisms, could get in there and cause a contamination and a real problem. So if you have maintenance done that exposes the internal parts to air, you need to use the sanitizer. It's inexpensive, easy to use, it's just a really good thing. It's from Pro Products, American-made products, and WaterFilters.net is really glad to have these to offer to our clients now. Check them out on the product-specific page at WaterFilters.net. I'm your host, Aquaman. Thanks for watching.